Hello everybody, this is Valhallagamingtv and this is the channel that plays everything so you don't have to. We're back again with Satisfactory and this is going to be episode 109. In the last episode we were dealing with the warehouse, getting the limestone here. Now we got to pull the limestone out of here and take it over there. So we can start getting some concrete built and I can start, getting some more encased industrial beams going so we can get this giant conveyor belt system built and finished up because it is slow right now. I gotta be careful though because there really isn't a lot of stuff for me to use, and I might have to extend this out. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna pull these out since they're all gonna be limestone on this level. I'm not sure yet, so it'd be nice if this was like at the end, but it ain't, so we're gonna have to figure this out. I'm thinking that I'll just pull them out like, ooh, not like that. All right, let's see. How am I going to do that? I was thinking about designing this last time, remember? And I was going to see what kind of design I can make to make it look good. Now that's going to be the hard part. I could just have the conveyor belts going like across, which would be fine. But how to design it? Like I can always place temporary foundations and then remove them. I'm thinking that's something I might have to do. Like let's go this way, go all the way over here. And then just kind of spread them out. Like one more. If that'll line up with it. All the way. It's not exactly lined up, is it? Why is that so far off? Interesting. It's not the same height. I think it's because I don't know. That's a good question, actually. Was there 1 meter? Weird. Well, if that's not lined up, you think all these other buildings are not lined up too? It's not lower than all of them. Maybe I just put these out on the edge at the wrong point. No, because the wall's right there. It must be this then, the way I built that. That must be the issue. I guess I can always like lift it up a little bit if I need to. Like go up with a ramp here. Not the ramp that's like that. Let's see. The 1 meter one. Do something like that. Make sure it's lined up. That's interesting. What if I grab the wall? Let's see what that looks like. Oh, I think maybe the walls are too high here. Maybe that's what happened. These look like more than 1 meter though. Okay. Because when you put the wall here, it lines up at the top. But if you're building the wall up from here, where does that go? Yeah, that's why. Yeah, you see that? Doesn't line up like that. Interesting. Okay. That's why. That makes more sense. Let's put that back. That'll be fine. It's still lined up there. We can always just raise it up to get in there. Not a big deal. It's not the end of the world. We got this. Okay. So the idea here is that I'm going to get rid of these. I was thinking about something like interesting, like it'd be like a walkway, but we're gonna need it wider. Maybe we'll go with glass. That would be cool, huh? Yeah, glass would be better. Let's go with that. Architecture, glass frame foundations. Let's make sure it's the right way. There we go. We'll go with glass. And we're way up here and we can kind of see how everything looks. Because I did want to be able to see, like, if you look up, you'd be able to see through things. And then this will still build like a foundation, but yet it'll still be see-through. So that'll work. There we go. All the way over here. And then all the way to the end. Make sure we turn that. You can get rid of these. And we'll just go right into it like that. We can always lift the conveyor belts to go into the building, so that's not a big deal. It's not a huge, like, lift, so we don't have to worry too much about that. All right, let's start pulling these conveyor belts out of the wall. I'm thinking the first one's going to get pulled out a little further. So put it in the straight mode. I want to make it to the point where it's going to be, like, there's going to be room here to walk. So maybe that'll be okay. So you come out here and be like, let's look at it. All right, or we can follow it down. So we get, like, I guess that walkway I was still talking about. You know, half the foundation. Pull this one out. And I guess we're going wider. Go out this way. It's actually be quite wide, I think. Because we're looking at like 10. Each one of these will come out at 480. Let's get another one. And this one. I don't think it's gonna reach. Ooh, almost. Okay, so we'll stop it on the corner here. Right there. Now pull it forward. Here we go. And there's a limestone we need. Okay, we can just start going from here and just pull the limestone. Because again, I don't have a lot of encased industrial beams to handle all these conveyor belts at the moment. So I'm just going to pull this one down. And try to get it to the building over here. Then we gotta like figure out the issue that's going on with the iron that we're gonna have. We're gonna have an iron shortage. Might have to put more on the train. Okay, so this one, you're going this way. Straight down to the end until we can plug you into the building. Now, I'm going to pull it straight this way and line it up down the middle. There we go. I guess we didn't need this at the moment. Because I'm only pulling this one at the moment. That's the only one I need. The other ones can go to other places if need be. That's why I made multiple holes. We'll just put it one away, one foundation. And right into it. There we go. We got ourselves some limestone. Okay. Now, these walls will come up eventually and make it look like it's being held. And maybe I'll make like some kind of support system underneath it to make it look like it's being held up between the buildings. That way it doesn't look like it's just floating. But for now, we're going to stick to what we got. All right, let's go into this building. Let's see if I can fly over. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Got it. Okay, pull this one right into here. I think that's all I need to do. There it goes. That should start making the concrete. I think it was like 160. There it goes. And then we need the iron up here too. So I'm pretty sure it was plates, right? Or no. It was 20 iron for the steel rods is what we needed. We need to figure out how much we need for that. Because I was going with 8 assemblers. So let's go to production. And we're going with constructor, actually. Before, for the steel pipes, didn't we need... No. Oh, constructor was good. Alternate iron. So 25 per minute. Oh, we need 100 iron ingots per minute. Holy crap. That's way more than I expected. Ooh. That might be a problem. And if we go with the other steel pipes, that's 30 steel ingots per minute. And what's it take to get steel ingots? Oh, we need the forge or foundry. Steel ingots. Okay, 45, 45. And then what was the alternate recipe? 2 iron ingots and 2 coal. So that's 40. And the other one was 45. Interesting. It uses less coal though. Look at that. That's actually pretty good. It uses less coal. The problem is we don't got a whole lot of coal to bring in here. Nor are we bringing any coal, so... Well, we got to go look for iron. And we got to build some trains to it. And get it pulled all the way over here. Then we got to get it to another train over there. So that's a problem. That is a big problem. Well, we already have the iron coming in, actually. So we have a train with iron coming in, but we just got to get more iron. The iron ore itself, and it goes from over there. We got to get to the warehouse over here and get the train switched. Okay, maybe we'll work on that. After we go look at the fixsmith stuff. Let's go check that out. Okay, we're back over here. Let's see how many wreaths we got now. Oh, wow. Would you look at that? All right, let's check this out real quick. And I think we needed like one more ribbon or bow or whatever you call it. There we go. We might be able to do some research here. Holiday event. Okay, we need a little bit of that. We can do this one real quick. Boom. It's fixsmith time.
These snowballs are made from actual snow, combined with a mystery ingredient that is guaranteed to make snowballs very throwable, and your snowball fights extremely immersive and realistic. There are no low stakes with Fix-It.
No low stakes. Okay, now we need 500 more of those and another 100 of those ornament bundles, which we should have all that. What's this one? Yep, got it. Now we need some more of the bows. And we got to figure out what we need for that star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That should be enough. Let's get it researched. There we go.
The best idea Fix-It could come up with to appreciate and reward pioneers for their hard work is a gold star. How creative, but don't worry, I understand the merits of actually meaningful appreciation. When you save the day, you will understand.
Okay, so we need to make 500 of those stars. Now, how do we make the stars? Parts, fixsmiths, wonder star. Okay, we need candy canes and those wreaths as an assembler. And how do we make the candy canes? Is it just a constructor with the gifts? If it is, we're good. So, constructor. Yep, just gifts. Okay. What do we need? It's 15 per minute. So one of these per candy cane. And then all the wreaths here are going to go straight to an assembler. Okay, let's see where we're going to put it. Assembler. We'll do 2 assemblers. Let's put it over here. That looks like we got room to go out with it. That's 2. Gold stars, 1 per minute. Oof. That's slow. That's 500 minutes it would take. I don't even know how much that is. That's like 4 hours or something. Okay, let's see. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if I'll have enough wreaths coming in here. There we go. 5 per minute. How many wreaths am I making? I think I'm making like 10 per minute. No, not even close. That's not gonna be able to keep up with all that. Whatever, I'll just leave it like that. How many candy canes am I gonna need? Quite a bit. I'm just gonna make it real simple. We're gonna go something like this. Because all this stuff's gonna go away soon. Lift it like that. There we go. Some good old splitters. Probably pull it in from that direction. Get them all plugged in. This is going to be for the wreaths. They're going to go up here on this side. Straight from here, right into here. And then the other ones, here's some more splitters here. Line them up there. Pull it in from this direction. Actually, we'll pull it in from the other direction down here. Because I'm just going to pull it like straight over here from the candy canes that I already have. Okay, so like that. Pull it forward. And one more. There it goes. Get them all lined up and plugged in. So far, so good. Doesn't look like any of them are out of alignment. Okay. And then I'm just going to pull it from over here. Grab the candy canes. I'm going to go all the way this way. Wrap it around over here. It's going to be a real mess. But it will all be cleaned up once it's finished. Alright, there that goes. Candy canes are on their way. Let's bring the power over here. Pull you to the end. Something like that should be fine. And one more. There we go. Sixsmith. Wonder Star. And then from here, we got to do the mergers. We're going to go that direction. And we'll plug it into another storage. Until we eventually get 500. Which will be a few hours. And organization, industrial storage. There we go. All plugged in. These are supposed to take a minute. Oh, we got one. Officially one. Okay, let that do its thing, and we'll be back to check on it later on. Now, let's try to get some more iron, or we can try to, I guess, divert that to a new train station to our other area. Or maybe I can try to use the pipes that I already have being made at the other factory to improve the encased industrial beams. That might be the better choice, at least for now. So let's go to that factory right now and see what we can do with it, because it looks like there's quite a bit I need to build up here before I can do any of the other stuff. Okay, we're back at the old factory. Now, I think the bottleneck here wasn't necessarily the... Oh, it might actually be the steel beams as well. Looks like they're rolling in. It looks like the concrete is caught up now. 36 per minute. Looks like it's just working with enough. Okay, well maybe we can split some of the concrete out then. Let's try this. We'll go with... We got all this going this way. Now how many of these pipes do we got? 40 per minute? 20, 20. So we got 80 pipes here that we can be utilizing. Now the problem is, how much concrete are we making? 37. They're all 37. And then this needs 36, 36. Okay, so it's got enough concrete for one more, it looks like. Oh, no, wait. No, it's 72 per minute it needs. Okay, so it doesn't have a whole lot more concrete. How much limestone's coming in? It needs 112 per minute. Well, it looks like it's not really stopping. It's working exactly how it needs to go. We got any more limestone out here? Limestone. That one's been taken. We got one over here. Let's see what this one's about. Oh, it's right there. Hopefully it's a normal one. Even if it's not, though, having that extra limestone, I'll be able to increase the output of my encased industrial beams. So let's see what it is. Have to put an MK2 miner on it. Come on, normal at least. Come on, big money. Oh, I hate you. Okay, it'll still work out. Hey, how's it going? You coming back? There you go. It's sleepy time. Okay, so it's an impure one, but a node's a node. And that's the closest one nearby. So might as well put it to work. Break this real quick. Put an MK2 miner on top. And then use those shards. I think we'll get 300 out of it. So logistics. No, production. MK2 miner. Pull it that direction. We gotta pull it up into the building. And again, it doesn't have to be pretty because this is all temporary stuff. Eventually it's gonna be moved to the city. So just connect it so it'll work. Okay, that one's on now. We got some shards here. Oh, it's 150 per minute. That's even worse. I thought it was 300. That's what normal ones give. Ew. Disgusting. Okay. I guess that's going to be enough for one more constructor. Pull it all the way over there. Man, these things don't go as far as I'd like them to. Up you go. Okay, we're over to the building. I'm not sure if I can actually fly up there. So I'm going to jump on this and then go up. There we go. Put another one of these bad boys right here at the end. And we got 150 coming in for concrete. So like that. That's 90. Let's get rid of that one. Okay, 67. That'll be close. So we can put one more. There we go. Make it nice and pretty. Just hanging off the edge like that. Perfect. Exactly how I always wanted to build it. Okay. This one as well. Concrete. And let's throw in another shard for you. There you go. Plug it in. And then over here, we're going to need to bring over some of those pipes. More like all of the pipes. So rather than coming over this way, do we still got like a car coming out here and grabbing these? I think we do. If that's the case, we're going to have to split them off. Let's see. How are we going to split that off? I might have to go underneath. What's on this one? Steel. And this one is the pipes. Ah, okay. Well, we can always split off this. Let's try that. Split. Let's go straight down this way. Again, no need to make it pretty. Just make it work. We'll go all the way to the end with it. And then we're going to put a hole right over here. Line it up with this. Do another lift. An input. There we go. Okay, now we got some pipes going over there. Now from here, now that we have the pipes, we're going to make some more assemblers and utilize this so we can make more of these. Okay, so that's in a weird place, but it will work. As again, we'll just extend it out some more. Because who's saying we can't do that? Okay, assemblers, production. How many do we need? I don't know. We got 80 pipes, right? We'll go out a little bit further here. Let's see. Yep, we're going with that. So it's going to be 24 pipes. And how much concrete are we putting out? 22, 22.5. Okay, so we can handle 2. Unless we get more limestone. That's still going to be 8 more than I've been doing. Which is, I guess, okay. It's better than what it was, right? Okay. Well, let's get this all hooked up real quick. Can we plug in another thing here? We can. Good stuff. Plug that in. And then over here, we're going to do another merger. That way it'll go right to where it needs to be. Why are you having a hard time being straight here? What is that about? Maybe it's not straight in the first place. Oh, I don't think it is, actually. What the heck? Okay, I'll leave that there for a second. Mergers. Pull it in this way, go out that way. And then we're hitting the right click. You're going that way. The things we do so we have more materials to make more conveyor belts. Some more mergers here. Go that way. And we can keep going that way. Pull that through. And then also over here, we need these splitters. Gonna pull it in this direction. Just like that. And then this one, you're going right to the edge. I'm gonna get one of those sweet lifts. You're gonna drop down with that. Probably plug it in like right there. Pull the limestone in. And plug it in. There we go. Now we got limestone in the factory. Let's see if I can use this to jump off of. Come on. You got it, jetpack. You got it. Nice. So there goes that. Let's get some more lifts here. There we go. Match it with that one. And we're almost in business. I'm so happy that I figured out how to do that all this time. Okay, let's go right here. Line up with that. Too steep. Interesting. Let's turn it. Now let's go up. And plug it in. And then this one. It's gonna be real easy. Plug it in. There we go. And after all that, we just increased our production rate of encased industrial beams. 15 seconds. There goes 2 of them. Yeah, 4 per minute. That's 8. And we got 12 here. 24. Yeah, so we got ourselves 32 now. It's still not a lot, but it's better than what it was. Still a little bit faster than what we had, which is good. But unless we can find more limestone, we're gonna have some problems if we can't do that. Maybe we can go to the concrete factory that I already have. Where else do we got concrete? Oh, I had some more over there. Ooh, maybe I can utilize that. And we probably have iron over there too, right? Yeah. Because I started making all the plates and the screws and all that kind of stuff, so I can probably take it off that. Let's go check that out real quick. Oh yeah, look at that. 1, 2, 3. We got 3 limestone over here. Starting to think I should just get the conveyor belts and like transport them over to the train. I might just do that. Pull them to the city. This one is impure. What's the one over here? Are you a good one? What are we looking at? A normal one, that's not bad. And these are all MK1s too, so there's some potential here that I haven't tapped into. Let's go check the other one out over here. What do we got? And impure. Okay. So that's 150, 150, 300. That's 600 total. If we get it all, you know, jacked up on shards. Not bad. 600 total. That would be good. Even if we pulled all this from here and pulled it over to that other factory. Because isn't that, I think that's our bottleneck. That's a lot of work though. And a long distance. Almost better to get a truck over here to do it. Or one of the tractors. See, this is probably why they do it, right? For the conveyor belts and all that. They have vehicles so you don't have to transport it so far. But then that requires fuel. They should have like electric vehicles, man. What the heck? Why don't they have that? Okay. Maybe the drones. That's probably what it is, isn't it? The drones are the electric vehicles. Ooh, okay. Brain's working. All right, let's see what we need to do for those, like, for the phase 3 stuff. What part is that? Like a motor or something? Versatile framework. We already did that. We got to get in the next stages. Modular engine. Okay, rubber. That's easy. Motors. We got that. And smart plating. And we got to make that in a manufacturer. 1 per minute. Ooh, that's not very fast at all. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, we got to start working on that stuff. All right, let's head back to the city. And we got to figure out what we can do. Start making some things. Okay, I know what I'm going to do. Didn't go to the city yet. I'm going to utilize the stuff I have now so we can increase what we got. This is the smart plating area that I made way back in the day. All we got to do is plug it in. Get the rotors and the stuff going. This makes 2, 4, 6 plates per minute. Not very good, but it'll work. Let that do its thing. Make those plates for us because we need those for the modular engine. Let's go down to it again. Should have just typed it in, huh? I think I went past it already. All right, yeah, let's just type it in. Modular engine. Way faster. So 2, okay. So we just leave that going. We also got rubber and motors. So we need 2 of those. That's going to be 1,000 we need of those, 1,000 of the smart plates, and a crap ton of rubber. So let's just let that build up over time. And then the motors, I'm going to put like another, maybe I'll put another storage here just in case. Make sure that we have enough. There we go. Let's go with this. That way when I'm doing stuff, it'll be getting worked on. And we don't have to make anything crazy. Okay. That's doing its job. Now let's go over here to where the motors are. Make sure I have another industrial storage here. That way it can fill up even more. And then I'll make an assembly area for the modular motor. And I'll just grab the parts myself and put them in there. If we do it like that, I can even connect them to like dimensional storages. That might be a good idea too. Well, this one already has the motors connected to it, so that'll work. Smart plating, I'm guessing I'm going to need to do a little bit more with that. I might need to speed that up, actually. That would be an easier fix to do like now. And then, because a lot of the stuff here is just MK1. All I have to do is upgrade it. And literally just expand it. Pretty sure that's how it would work. Okay, so we needed the engines, which those are done. We need the smart plates and then the rubber. So I know I got a ton of rubber going. So when I go back to the city, I need to put those in separate storages so I can pull from that. Because the rubber is going to be made, right? Let's see. Rubber, 800. I need a lot more than that, though. Yeah, we're just going to have to expand this on both sides. Let's see where the ore is coming in from. Oh, it's built so old. What do we got? That's a pure node. Ho ho. Oh, is that an MK2? MK1. Oh my god, we can do some stuff with this. Okay. We're about to expand the production here. Yeah, this is gonna be crazy. Well, everyone, I'm gonna end this episode here. This is basically me getting the Fixmas stuff and fumbling around on this episode, but the next one, we're going to upgrade this area with the reinforced plates in this, get the smart plates going. And then we're also going to put the rubber into its own storage. That way we can start working towards that modular engine. And also, what is the other thing? Parts. I don't know what that other thing is. Adaptive control unit. Oh, we need computers. So that's a bit of an issue. Do we have computers being made? I think we do, actually. The other issue we have is automated wiring and modular frames. Ooh. We got circuit boards, and I think we have computers. We got to work on these two things. Okay. That's not the worst thing. Oh, we need encased industrial beams. Oh, this game hates me. But we can also do it with rubber. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, that's going to be a problem. We need 100 of them, though, actually. We can make those by hand. That's not too bad. This is a little bit different, though. Okay. Well, we'll have to work on that stuff in the next one. That way we can get past phase 3 and start working towards other stuff. And maybe get a hover suit. That would be really cool in building things. We've been in phase 3 for way too long. So that's what we're going to work on. And we can start working on the building after that. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Later. Hey, Valhalla Gaming TV community. Join me in a quick shout out of our community members that help support the channel. Check out our very first member of Odin's Ravens, Layu02. Thank you for your support, and see you all in the next video.